catch up again. Jump in.
Sekarang kami mau ke area air terjun, bro.
Trampoline has got holes in it, but I can still see the tide.
Jalannya becek.
Di Malayo hari ini yang pertama kita ekspedisi Babangkin.
I wear the coat if you can put the hat on. I will wear the coat. Just let me clear my throat so I can say what's been delayed ways. Let me fall into your lap and just lay here for a while, satisfied by your seduction, like a handshake would do the job. Never know how long I have waited, anticipated your smile to be pressed against mine. Your smile pressed against mine. Oh, your smile pressed against mine. I feel it. Oh, well, I feel it. Oh, mine. Oh, well, I feel it. Oh, boy, and I'm gonna settle tight. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I said it, I'll be fine. Yeah. Well, she could pull me over that sugar hill of mountain till I get that a cool breeze.
Setelah kami ekspedisi di air terjun sarasah ini, jadi kami rekomendasikan boleh mampir dan menciptakan suasana yang asli bagi air sarasah.
See her eyes and stare back at them. See that girl as her own new world.